Thank you, JEECOO, for sponsoring this video, and let's stinking get into the review. Now, I want to be fully transparent. Obviously, JEECOO could do nothing about this, but Amazon... What the heck is this? Now that I'm done ranting about my box being crunched in one corner. I don't want headphones to be too heavy, but they can't be too light, because if they're too light, then they're not that good of quality. However, if they're too heavy, it's uncomfortable on your ears. But I will return with knife, ladies and gentlemen. Without further ado, the JEECOO J50 headphones. Box aside, it does come with a splitter, which I'm extremely happy about. So you can plug the headphones into the one end, and then you can have I believe this is the mic, then you can have a mic and a headphone output. Super thankful it came with that. Let's read the manual. Okay, so this particular headset is compatible, pretty much a standard headset. It's compatible with just about everything. It's compatible with your phone. You will need an Apple dongle if you have a newer Apple device. Compatible with your computer, your Nintendo Switch, your PlayStation 5, your Xbox Series X, your PlayStation 4, your Xbox One, most tablets, Walkmans, pretty much anything that uses a 3.5mm jack, you are going to be able to use these headphones with. They're not too hefty, but they're not lightweight by any means, which I'm extremely thankful for. I'm actually so relieved that that's the case. Slick. Ah, that's nice. We've got a little volume thing here. You can choose how loud it is, if the mic's on or not. That's very good. Pretty long cable too. That's good. So, okay, that's what they're supposed to look like. You have to adjust them. These little things here swivel. That's really cool. Okay. I was a little confused and a tad bit worried there at the start. I was like, what? But, nice. Okay, sick and slick. So, the only thing, and literally the only thing I can find on these, that I'm not like an absolute fan of, is I don't particularly care for the fact that the headphones don't swivel at all at the bottom. However, I can overlook that. I kinda like the cables in the back. Kinda, not a ton, but I do kinda like that. So let's just heckin' throw these things on. The comfort test. I like. Now, I will say, they're not the particularly easiest headphones to put on your head. The swivels do feel very sturdy, don't get me wrong. However, it doesn't feel super, it feels kind of weird to put them on your head. Like, not a bad weird, necessarily, but they definitely feel sturdy, and maybe a little too sturdy. They sound noise canceling already, but they're a bit weird to put on. Not that badly weird, but they are a bit weird to put on. They're not coming off my head pretty much no matter what, so that's good news. Okay, yeah, that's a pretty good cable. I'd say probably 6 to 7 foot cable if I had to guess, maybe only 5. I am now going to listen to a copyrighted song to test out the audio. Ooh, sweet dreams are made of this. Sounds good in these headphones. Woo! They sound very good, to me at least. Alright, now let's test the microphone. Alright, microphone test. Gather around for the microphone test. It's time for the microphone test. Gather around for the microphone test. We're testing the microphone. Now I'm going to give a quick list of the pros and cons. Pros of this headset. Very comfortable. I feel like I could wear them for hours on end. I like the way they look. I like the way they feel on my ears. And the head strap, very comfortable. I like it. All in all, I could wear these for like 2 to 3 hours at a time if I wanted to. The microphone is nice because you barely even notice it's there. You could like even put it down here and you wouldn't really know that it was there. Obviously, then when you're done with it, just flip it up above your head. It doesn't even look like there's a microphone necessarily if you put it up against your hair. Now, the cons of this headset. I could only really find two cons, and the only two cons, they're a bit difficult to, when you have them down here and you're ready to put them on, they're a bit resistant to, like the ears don't open up super well, but it's not that bad. Like, that time was better than the first time. Once you get them broken in and really kind of set to where you want them, like I've got where I'm going to wear them right now, and the only other con is that there's not a ton of bass in them. But they are quite noise canceling. They do form a genuine seal around your ears, which is quite nice. A lot of headphones in this price range don't actually seal super well, but these do that very nicely. That is it for my JEECOO J50 review. If you guys want to pick up your very own JEECOO J50 headset, then head to the link in the description down below, and there will be a link directly beneath it that will take you to JEECOO's website. If you want to help out the channel, consider subscribing. It's free. You can always unsubscribe later, and consider leaving a like on this video if you enjoyed it. Until the next time, I'm Timmybug, and I'll talk to y'all later.